morning KG3, how are you? Today we're gonna do together page 341. Okay, so please I want you to bring your readers and writers notebook and open it on page 341. Now, when we want to ask a question, we have to start with a question word. There are a lot of question words, but today I'm going to teach you only 2 words, okay? Which is what, and do. So we have 2 words, 2 questions words. What and do. For example, look at this sentence here. Do you see my video? Do you see my video? We start the question with what? With a question word which is do. So we start this sentence with do, okay? And we end the question sentence with what? We ended with a question mark, okay? Do you see my video? Now, look at the answer. The answer sentence. When I ask you, do you see my video? You have to answer me what? Yes, we see your video. And we end the answer sentence with what? With a dot. Okay? Now, in page 341, we have 4 pictures. Now let's read the instruction. Circle the question, underline the answer, then color the pictures. Okay. Now, look at the picture here, the first one. We have 2 sentences. We have to see which one is the question, which sentence is the question, and which sentence is the answer. And we have to circle the question sentence. Then we have to underline the answer sentence. Okay? Let's start together. Sentence number 1. I see a cat. Do you see a cat? Now, we said that when we ask a question, we have to start with a question words, which is do and what, right? Okay, which sentence start with do? This one or this one? Yes, this one. So, do you see a cat? And here at the end, what do we have? We have a question mark. So, is this the question sentence? Yes, very good. This is the question sentence. Do you see a cat? So, circle it, please. Circle the question sentence. Okay? Now, I see a cat. I see a cat. Okay? So, what is this? This is the answer sentence. So, what we have to do, we have to underline this sentence. Draw a line under this sentence. Okay? Draw a line like that under this sentence. Okay. Let's read the question and the answer together. Do you see a cat? I see a cat. Okay, now here. Let's read together. Do you see Nan? Do you see Nan? Look here, what do we have here? What is this? It's a question word. Do. And at the end of this sentence, what we have? We have a question mark. So, what is this? Is this the question sentence? If it's the question sentence, I want you to circle it. Okay, now here, look here. I see Nan. I see Nan. And we have a dot at the end. So, is this the answer? If it's the answer, please underline this sentence. Now, here, what can Tim hit? What can Tim hit? What do we have here? We have a question word. What? What? And at the end of the sentence, what do we have? We have a question mark, right? So, what is this? What we call this? We call it a question sentence. Yes, very good. Now, if this the question sentence, what we have to do? We have to circle it. Yes, very good. Circle the question sentence. Now look at the answer sentence. It starts with a capital letter and end with what? With a dot. Let's read it. Tim hit the lead. Tim hit the lead. Okay. So what we have to do now, we have to underline this sentence because it's the answer sentence. Tim hit the lead. Okay. Now look here. Lad can hop. Lad can hop. What can lad do? And a question mark. What can lad do? A question mark at the end. Now I want you to circle the question sentence and underline the answer sentence.